Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your OS and gathering tools, an admin account, a USB recovery stick, and a second device for reference. Once done, boot into safe mode or the recovery environment so the system won't shut down mid-check. This preserves logs and lets you run repairs. Make sure to unplug peripherals that might trigger power events. You need access to Event Viewer or System Logs next, so note timestamps of the shutdowns and keep a pen or screenshot tool ready. You now inspect logs to find the cause. In Windows, check Event Viewer for kernel power and bug check entries. In Linux, use journoctl b and grep for OOM or ECP errors. Once you identify a timestamp, disable software triggers like fast startup, scheduled tasks, and auto-restart on system failure so the machine stays up for testing. Then run integrity checks, SFC and DISM on Windows or FSCK on Linux, and perform a focused malware scan. These actions repair corrupt files and rule out software-initiated shutdowns. Finish by eliminating hardware causes. Inspect the power supply, battery, and motherboard caps for bulging or leaks, reseat RAM and power cables, and monitor temperatures to rule out thermal shutdowns. Update BIOS/UEFI and chipset drivers, then adjust power management settings to default. Outdated firmware often forces timed shutdowns. If the problem persists after these steps, restore a clean system image or perform a reinstall. And if you still see a 15-second shutdown, stop and consult a qualified repair technician for component-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.